How to fix camera driver missing in Windows 11. First, open the Start menu, type Device Manager, and click to open it. At the top of the window, click on your PC name, then select Action and click on Scan for hardware changes. After that, check if your camera appears in the list. If it's still missing, click on Action again and choose Add Legacy Hardware, then click Next. Select the option to search for and install the hardware automatically and click Next. Continue by clicking Next again, choose Cameras, and press Next. If your webcam shows up in the list, select it and proceed with the installation. If the issue still isn't fixed, click on View at the top and enable Show Hidden Devices. Check again to see if your webcam appears. If it's still not there, close Device Manager and open the Start menu. Go to Settings, then select Windows Update from the left side. Click on Check for Updates and install any available updates. Finally, check your privacy settings. Open Settings, then click on Privacy and select Camera. Make sure camera access is turned on. Once you've completed all these steps, restart your computer. Your webcam should now be working properly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.